So recently there has been this issue that Exness is no longer accepting verification documents, or it's no longer verifying people's address documents, and for that matter many people are not able to complete their verification. So you can have your account looking something like this, where you will be asked to complete verification for a certain period of time. It's actually 30 days. So within that 30 days, you are able to trade, deposit and withdraw, but after that 30 days, your account gets restricted. So as you can see here, email has been verified, phone has been verified, personal information, profile, but verification document has been declined. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create an Exness account right from scratch without having to face any of these problems along the line. So stay tuned, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'll be giving some important tips at the end. Also, leave all your questions in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Let's get right into it. So on your Exness homepage, you click create an account, and here you type in your country or region, the email address you want to use to create this account. Okay, and also you should the password that you want to use to create this particular account. I just copied and pasted mine. For the partner code is optional, so I'll just move on. Click on continue. So there you have it. Your account is created, but it's not complete, so we still have some processes to go through. So you click on complete profile at the top. Okay, so you start by verifying your email. Make sure that the email address provided here is signed into your mail app in order to receive the verification code directly. So code is in. Click on continue. So the email has just been verified. I'll go on and verify the phone number as well. Click continue. Wait for a verification code. Okay, so my phone number is also verified. Now for the personal information, I'll just input my name, date of birth here. You make sure that whatever information you're providing here is the same as the one you have on your verification documents. This is where most people have problem with Exness. So if you provide a slightly different information here, they will not accept your documents later on. At the moment, I'm in KNUST Kumasi, so I'm just going to use that. Continue. So as you can see, my account has been verified. Not fully verified though, but I can deposit at this point. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe and also leave a like, and let's just go on. So now I'm going to open my Exness app and then complete the last verification. Sign in. So I'll input my email that I want to use. Okay, so here we are required to set up a new passcode. I'll just forward it. So as you can see, the account has been created. The balance is $0 USD. Of course, I haven't made any deposits yet. So we go to the profile, and as you can see, I still have to verify complete verification. However, I can still make deposits as it is. I can still make mobile money deposits. I can still deposit through my Bax, Skrill, and so on. But I can't deposit with cryptocurrencies, bank card, Binance Pay. So that is some of the disadvantages that comes with that, which means we have to go on and complete the verification. So we click on profile and then complete verification. So here I'll just select self-employed. I'd rather you don't select on students. So if you're not employed, then you just click on self-employed. Yes, I have some trading experience. Speculation. Just select more than 200,000. Total wealth. Of course, more than 2,000, 200,000 rather. Source of income. Let's say savings, employment proceeds. Okay. So you are also required to select the industry which you work in. I'll just simply take IT. So I'll select IT here. And then we are good to go. So here you make sure that your name, the order of your full name is the one on, or the order which you've provided here should be the same as the one on your verification document in order not to be denied. So I made some edits here. So we are moving on to upload the documents now. So your passport, driver's license, ID card, so and so. I'll just select the ID card. If you're in Ghana, you can use your Ghana card if you have one. So quickly, I'll take a picture of that. So I've just uploaded the front. You do the same for the back. And then click submit document. Make sure your image is not blurry. Okay. So here we have the proof of residence now. Simply upload a picture of your bank statement, or usually we use bank statement. If you have an address of maybe a water bill, light bill, anything that contains your address. I'll quickly snap mine. I'm using the bank statement here. So you have an option to upload another one, but I'll just go on like that. Okay, so my documents are under review. This should take between 3 to 7 minutes. So I'll just wait for a while. So I just received an alert that my document has been verified. Okay, right now it's not really showing, it's not reflecting, but as you can see, Exness has said my account has been verified. They also sent me an email. Let me show you guys. So your proof of residence document has been verified by Exness. As you can see, it may take some time to reflect at the profile section. I don't know why. So, but I'll show you something here. So when you click on deposit, to take a while. So you can see now I can deposit with USDT, bank card, Binance Pay, with BTC or Bitcoin. Now none of them are logged. So when you are verified, you are able to use all these payment methods. Okay. From the notifications area, you can see that my account has been completely verified. So drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Make sure you share to a friend. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one.